What foot is that, Zeke?
Left foot.
Left foot?
Yeah.
Good.
Outside.
Yeah, we'll go outside. What foot is that foot?
Right foot.
Right foot?
Yeah. Left foot.
Good job putting your shoes on. Alright, Zeke, which one is your left foot?
There.
Nope.
There.
That's your left foot? And your right foot?
There.
Good job. You have a left hand?
There.
That's your left hand, yep. Right,
There.
right hand.
There.
Good job. High five. Good.